Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair missing or corrupted Windows system files with System File Checker. The SFC scan is a Windows utility that scans for and restores corrupted or missing system files. The scan compares your computer's system files against a known correct version stored in a protected cache. Corrupted system files can cause a variety of problems, including critical error like the blue screen of death, general instability, or features that don't work correctly. Running the command sfc scan automatically fix these issues by replacing bad files with good ones. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, first of all, you need to open command prompt with admin privilege. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box type CMD, and in the search results, here you need to run command prompt as administrator. Select run as administrator, then click yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open command prompt with admin privilege. In the command prompt window, type the following command sfc /scan-now and press enter. This command line tool will begin scanning and repairing corrupted or missing system files. This may take some time depending on your system. Be patient. Do not close the command prompt window until the scan is 100% complete. Microsoft recommends running the sfc scan to fix any remaining corrupted system files. This command is a key part of Windows repair and is often run after other troubleshooting steps have failed. It is most useful for fixing issues with Windows Update that prevent it from downloading necessary files. Corrupted system files can cause a variety of problems, including critical errors like the blue screen of death, general instability, or features that don't work correctly. Running the command sfc scan can automatically fix these issues by replacing bad files with good ones. Once the scan is finished, once done, then restart your computer to apply any changes. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.